welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, honey, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Welcome. Today I am in Goodwill and I'm thrifting for some upcoming collabs and holiday decor. So that is my main focus today. So I'm going to be picking up items and checking out things that I could possibly use in some of my tablescapes and upcoming collab decorating videos. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I thrift at Goodwill. Today I did not do a haul, but you can easily see everything I placed into my cart is what I purchased. So enjoy some music while I thrift. If you're enjoying today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So my Goodwill often has a lot of items from Target that they sell at a discount. Take for instance this beautiful shades of purple tree skirt. Brand new, they just repackaged it. It still had the tag on it and it was $8.99. Now, if you know, these items are usually $20 to $30 during the Christmas season. And these candle holders, also brand new from the Target dollar spot, $1.99. Now, you can't beat that. They had some fantastic deals at the thrift store today. So I did take advantage of some of the Christmas and Thanksgiving decor. I hope this video gives you inspiration and shows you how to go out there and find those deals, honey. Because everything is so expensive right now. Why not get something slightly used or brand new, in fact, from your local thrift store? Now let me share with you some information on my upcoming collabs. Every Tuesday at 6 p.m., Tablescape Tuesdays is an open playlist presented to you by the ladies of Elegance. That is myself and the Grace Life DIY home decor. As well, every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m., Sophisticated Saturdays. Create a DIY or decorate any area of your home in a classy, sophisticated manner. Hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays, Ladies of Elegance. Coming up this month as well, every Saturday at 6 p.m., the Home Decor Luxe Club presents their Vlogmas Collab, Bling on the Fall. This is hosted by Glam Elegant Living, Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, DIY, Designed by CCW, The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, our newest member, Miriam's Creative Corner, and myself, Amethyst Adventures. I hope that you'll support my collaborations this month just as you always do. And for you creators, on my community tab, I do have a listing of all available open collaborations. I hope this video gave you inspiration, and I'll catch you next time.